Hello, I'm Britlicious, an example of the innovative English teaching that we're all into here at Britlish.
And I'm Albion, and I'm really into bringing you the best in English language teaching.
We're here to bring you today's phrase of the day. What's today's phrase, Albion?
Well, if you're into phrases Britlicious, you'll love today's phrase of the day. It's to be into something.
Yes, here at Britlish, we're into making the most innovative and engaging English language teaching material available anywhere.
If you're into improving your English skills, there's no better place to do it than at the Britlish Library.
If you're not into improving your English skills yet, you'll soon get into it once you see what the Britlish Library has to offer.
If you're into activating your English skills, get yourself a Britlish membership or a 7-day Britlish Library Pass.
A membership, or a 7-day library pass, gives you full and unrestricted access to the entire Britlish Library of English lessons.
I'm also into hip-hop. Watch me.
That's pretty cool, Albion. Do you think I can get into hip-hop too?
Sure. Come on, get into it right now.
If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment.